Hello, childs. As you can tell, this is a tier list video because it says it in the title. And
Part two.
Watch the first part. Maybe links in the description below. Maybe. And as you can tell, I'm not the only one here. We also have Wheeze.
Me, I'm Wheeze, and I'm cool.
As you can see, our tiers are based off Pokemon names, except the S tier, which is Cheese and Chedda tier. Because
Cheese is good and we're cool.
Yep. And then just go down and you see all our opinions on those Pokemon there.
Okay. The ones higher are the ones we like, and the ones lower for the names are the ones we dislike.
Farfetch sucks.
I mean, I don't hate Farfetch, but it just fits for F.
Okay, let's get started on this. Ivysaur?
I think it gets an A or B tier.
I agree with you.
A or B.
A or B, I agree with you. I say B. I say B.
Yeah, B.
High B, but still B. Like, I'm gonna say this right now. Look at it.
He's cool.
He has a dumpy.
For real.
He has a dumpy right there.
Okay. What's it called? Charmeleon?
Charmeleon? I like his
cool,
name.
But he's kind of ugly.
Yeah, he's ugly, but I like his name. That's a cool name.
His name is cool. So, C? C for Charmeleon?
C for Charmeleon. Even though it's not Charmeleon. It's a Tuttle.
I like Wartortle. I don't know why. I just really like Wartortle.
I like its tails.
I like its tail. The ears are kind of weird, but I think...
The ears are weird. And I like the color of its body also.
Yeah, that color's nice.
Yeah.
B?
B, yeah. We're already making... Okay, unlike last time, we're having different opinions about each starter line. Farfetch tier? I do not care.
Come on, give it Eldegoss.
No.
It's a dinosaur.
No.
Come on, Eldegoss.
No.
Okay, I'm flipping the coin then.
Okay. It's just to let you guys know, we will be flipping coins every time. And I have heads.
Dang it.
And heads won, so that means we're putting in an F tier or Farfetch tier.
Sorry, I forgot your name.
Bailey or something? I don't know. I don't remember
either. Bailey.
I have too much trauma about it.
Cyndaquil? I guess an A tier.
A tier, yeah.
I'm not Cyndaquil, Quilava.
I don't care what the name is. Okay.
He's kind of fat and looks like a caveman.
Crocorock, that's his name, right?
No, Crocorock is the other crocodile Pokemon.
Dang it.
Crocodile.
I don't remember names.
Crocodile.
Close enough. I never had these games, okay? I didn't play these games.
I just remember the name.
I feel like we put him in C or D.
I think D tier.
Okay. Diglett. I got the shiny Dugtrio.
S tier.
Sure.
Thank you.
But I don't like it as much as the, full evolution. Like, I don't really like the leaf
I'm
hair.
Thinking Grovyle is really cool, but I'm thinking he looks a little bit weird. That pink makes him look a little bit weird. I don't know why, but so I say A tier.
I agree with you. That's what I was thinking to start with, but I thought you would have one pass. Just one pass. Okay, so Combuskin, I feel like this is the worst out of the Blaziken line.
I know the Blaziken, of course. I think it's D tier. D, E.
Yeah, okay, put it in D tier. Give me a second, I'm gonna drink water. This might sound weird.
Huh?
I'm drinking water.
Oh.
Grottle, right? That's this guy's name, Grottle.
D, E, E, F, I don't know.
Let's put it in D. F. You know what it looks like?
What?
Take a person's head that has a lot of hair, and then you just, there's not a lot of hair, but you just, shave the, middle of it.
He goes sideburns on his back.
Yeah.
I like Monferno, kind of.
Kind of, yeah. I put him in B.
Yeah, B.
Or C. Probably not C. Bidoof. Bidoof is a god, but stats.
I don't like it. It's kind of ugly.
Yeah, that's fair. This is the worst of the line.
D or E?
D or E. Yeah, I agree with you.
Which one? E?
Let's put him in. You know what? Fine. I kind of don't like that, but A or B? But high B.
I think A.
Yeah,
I like
A.
him. I like him.
Okay. F.
E. I say E. I mean, he could be uglier. He could look like Cyndaquil. Not Cyndaquil. What's his name?
Wow.
What's the fat one?
Embor?
No, the fat one, the grass fat one. Gen 6.
Chestnuts or whatever?
Yeah, it could look like that. So, that's an F tier, but I think he deserves E. He's a little bit better looking.
You know what? I'm remembering the anime. We put him in E. He got a lot of hype in there.
W.
A, S.
I think
No, not
S.
W. W is like really low. Put him in.
You know what I mean.
Cheese.
S?
S. First S. Technically.
F.
F, I'm fine with that. I like the start. I like the first one.
Huh?
I like the first one. Braixen, Furry.
I like Chestnut. Isn't it? No, Chespin. I like Chespin.
Yeah, I like Chespin.
I think D.
Deep, yeah. It's not as much. It's like the
cute,
most furry one I could think of at like the top of my head.
It's cute, but it's furry bait.
Yeah, but anime.
True.
S tier.
Not S. A. Come on, A.
Okay, fine. We have really common opinions about these Pokemon.
E. I mean, he's Rowlet's brother.
I like him.
E.
I'm gonna admit, I like him. His haircut kind of like mine. I'm not giving y'all a face reveal.
You like? What do you give him then? C?
C. No. High D. The highest D that we could give him.
Alright, but we'll organize that later.
Yeah, we're gonna organize that later.
I like Torcat. B.
B. This used to be my favorite Pokemon, but then I figured out what furries were, and then I started doubting myself as a person.
Did you say C or B?
I said B.
I like Freon, but it's kind of meh.
C.
Yeah.
Okay.
F.
B.
B.
I've been recently watching the anime on Netflix. It had a lot of hype.
C. Okay, C, because he's a monkey, and we gotta mix. You gotta mix.
Okay, I'm fine with that.
He kind of looks like an unripe banana, but whatever.
Okay, you know what? We see who's next. S tier.
S tier. He looks like an anime kid, kind of, but that's okay.
If he's an anime character, he'll be my anime character.
No, I said anime kid, but whatever. E. C. E. D. I don't know.
D. I'll give him the highest grade that you'll be giving. Wait, did you say E?
I said it. Did you say E or D?
I said D.
Oh, my bad. He's kind of ugly, but he's a little cute.
You know, if we separate the hat, both Pokemon are better.
The hat's kind of funny on him, though.
Yeah, the hat makes him look funny. I say B
I think
or
he gets a C. I think he gets a C. No,
C?
B is fine. B is fine.
I'm pretty sure he is in the game, but isn't he like a cereal mascot?
I don't know, but he looks funny with that hat.
I'm pretty sure he is.
It turned furry,
Furry.
but I kind of like it.
Furry. I don't care.
It's better. No. It's better than Meowscarada. Meowscarada, I don't like it that much.
You know what? Anytime I scroll through my YouTube shorts, which I don't do a lot, and I see a Pokemon video, he is always in the video.
No, those freaking VR ones.
Yeah, we were talking about this last time, off camera.
We gotta give him a better rate because of that. You know, he's iconic now.
Yeah, he's iconic now.
Flora, guess B? Or
B,
C?
yeah.
I mean, B or A?
Yeah, B. Go Power Rangers!
E.
Just to end it off. Go Power Rangers. Yeah, I'm fine with that.
That's fine. Now you can organize it, right?
Power Rangers. Organize the tier. Move Raboot to the first one.
No, let's start from the bottom. Okay, F is
Move
fine.
the bay leaf over to the right.
No, Bailey is alright, man. Just leave him.
No, I do not care.
Leave him, let him be.
Fine. Grottle, second or third to last.
Wait, what about E tier?
E tier, I feel like it's fine.
I think we should move Pink Knight because this one's really ugly.
Yeah, but Pink Knight sucks also.
But Pink Knight's a little cute.
Pink Knight's like the worst evolution line. Like, people hated it, like, almost as much as Bayleaf.
I mean, he's a little cute. He's ugly, but he's a little cute. This one's just straight ugly.
Yeah, that's fair. But don't move him up, though. I feel like they're all, like, at the same pace.
Yeah. Well, I guess.
We should, like, take their images and put them into one. We're not doing that. I'm not doing that for editing. But
okay. You think Combuskin should move up?
yeah.
Who else should move up?
I feel like we should take the bottom part, move it up. Like, move Krokorok or whatever his name is to, like, the last one. Grottle to second to last.
He's better than that. Second last.
And then Grottle to third to last, then.
Yes, good.
That's third, not third to last.
Oh. Yeah, that's good still.
Rip Drizzile.
I think this is good.
No, I think we move Brianna or whatever it's called.
Don't bully Brianna, bro. I like Primarina. Primarina's nice.
No, we move it in front of Charmeleon.
Oh, okay, yeah. No, you stay up there. Okay.
I feel like this is kind of true. We move Torracat up a little bit.
Torracat? You can go for Monferno. I think we should move him back, maybe?
Yeah.
Flora gets a move ups. I don't know where, but he gets a move ups.
Move up just one.
Just one? Come on.
And then we move... You know what? No, you can put him in front of Chimchar. But we can't do whatever this guy's name is, Starty, even though he's my starter. I don't remember the names.
Him?
Yeah, I feel like we move him up one.
Alright.
Okay. I feel like we move whatever this guy's name is, Cinda, whatever, up to
Quilava?
S. Close enough. We move him to S or Cheese.
Fair enough.
And then we
I
move.
think Snivy.
No.
Alright.
But we put it in top A.
We get it in the front?
Yeah. Okay, and then we move Raboot in front of Duat.
Listen. Raboot, better than most starters. I was gonna personally put him in A or B, but this man is his favorite Pokemon. A favorite evolution line, so.
Rabbit. Yes.
Alright. Should we move any of them around to different tiers, or are we good?
I think we're good.
You think we should move him down one or no?
Oh, Chimchar? Or whatever that guy's name is?
Monferno?
Sure.
Alright. But you're going for the Thwacky.
Yeah. Monkeys.
Ooh, ooh.
Are you judging other monkeys? Is that what's happening right now?
Uh-huh.
Wow.
They're kind of ugly monkeys, man.
They should add a water monkey. Wait, they already do, but that doesn't count.
We have one, but he's
That's
bad.
not a starter. They should add one that is a starter.
We got two. We got one grass cat, one fire cat, one fire monkey, and one grass monkey. That's crazy.
I feel like there's more that we're missing.
And then we have three.
And then have you seen like the meme where you take Chespin and then you make it into the shape of Score Bunny?
How?
It's the same shape.
I thought you said like the middle evolution for a second. I'm like, what?
No.
He's too fat
Think
for that.
about it.
Yeah, they're similar shapes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think we're done.
Yeah, okay. That's that's our tier list. Faster than the last one. Took 16 minutes.
That's quick.
Yeah. If you guys don't like our decisions, comment down below. If you guys do like our decisions, like the video, subscribe to me. I only have 3 subscribers, and it's just Cheese Wheeze, her brother, and Carl. And then comment down below also. And if you've made it this far in the video, comment Raboot is the best middle starter. And yeah. Can we get a goodbye, Childs?
Goodbye, Childs.
Goodbye, Childs.